Can a warehouse help build a better tomorrow? We think so. We're in the business of developing and managing logistics spaces, but we want to do this in a way that considers the environment around us. One of the ways we do this is to reduce the levels of CO2 emissions that are created as a result of building and operating our developments. We've made a serious commitment to improving our sustainability efforts. To keep the process meaningful and relevant, we have professional external bodies validate and recognise our achievements by measuring and recording our carbon footprint and environmental performance. We're committed to reducing our carbon footprint across all our operations. Our Doncaster facility is set to achieve an 11.9% reduction in embodied carbon and a 15.6% reduction in operational carbon, giving a 13.1% CO2 reduction overall. By constantly evaluating everything we do, we can ensure that we're acting responsibly and sustainably. Can a warehouse help build a better tomorrow? We think so.